We told you in the first programme about 3 places where you can find Acts of Parliament in the Law Library. These were Public General Acts and Measures, the Law Report Statutes, and Current Law Statutes Annotated. All of these series have a drawback if you're looking for the up-to-date law that is in force at the moment. They all give you the text of the Act as it was when it received the royal assent, but will not tell you whether an Act has come into force, or whether it has been amended or repealed by later legislation. Nor do they tell you much about other Acts that are of relevance. However, Holsbury's statutes will give you more information of this kind. Here, the statutes are arranged in alphabetical order of subject, and the text of each Act is printed as amended by later legislation. Acts that have been repealed altogether do not appear in Holsbury's statutes. Brief annotations accompany the text of the Acts. These explain their provisions and mention some of the most important cases in which the Act has been interpreted in the courts. To find the Act, or the subject you are looking for, use the Table of Statutes and General Index, which is revised every year. The main volumes of Holsbury's statutes may not be fully up to date for any particular Act. So you will also need to consult the supplementary volumes, which bring the work up to date. There are several of these supplementary volumes. The current statute service binders contain recent Acts that are not in the main volumes. An annual cumulative supplement summarizes all the developments which have happened since the main volumes were published. A Note-up service binder contains material that is even more up-to-date than the latest cumulative supplement. Finally, a volume called Is It in Force tells you the exact date on which all the Acts passed since 1st of January 1969 came into force. It is very important to use these supplementary volumes to make sure that you really have found the law as it is today. There is a useful booklet accompanying Holsbury's statutes, and it explains how to use all the different volumes.